All right, so today we're going to talk about our Village Parkway, which is our townhome development located in Helena, Alabama. And honestly, the biggest selling point right here is the area. Helena is one of those Birmingham suburbs that continues to grow, but it still really keeps that small town, family friendly feel that you're looking for. Just to give you guys an idea of where this is located. So Helena's right here by Pelham on the south side. You've got Hoover right here, both great school districts. Birmingham, it's just an interstate drive away. And according to recent census estimates, Helena has grown about 5.5% since 2020. And now it's sitting at a little over 23,000 residents. So that's got a lot of steady growth. Another really huge draw is the school system. Helena is part of the Shelby County schools, and several of the local schools are very highly rated. With greaterschools.org showing Helena Elementary and Helena Intermediate at a 10 out of 10. So for families that are looking to relocate, either rent or buy, this school district is definitely one of the things that attracts them. Now, looking at kind of the numbers for these townhomes, we've got a purchase price of $298,000. It's currently rented at $1,950, just to kind of give you an idea of how quickly these are flying off the rental shelves. This property was released for rent on June 15th, and we had a security deposit in-house on June 17th. So they're flying off. Now, since this is an A area, our annual taxes are a little bit higher than what you're typically used to seeing. You're just going to have annual taxes of about $3,200. Insurance on new construction is just a lot lower, so you're going to be right at $600. There's currently no HOA fee for these townhome developments, and we do offer a 0% property management fee for that first year. If you were to buy this property for cash, your net income would be $19,600. And if you were to finance it using our 5.5% interest rate, you would net right at $4,372. Now, I know since I've been going through this, the pictures have been going through, but I did want to just show you the pictures. You'll see why there's such an appeal. I mean, the school district, yes, the area is fantastic, but this townhome development offers a lot of curb appeal with modern finishes that really attract kind of high-end A area tenants. So if you want to learn more about this particular townhome development or Helena in general, click on the link below to schedule a call with your portfolio advisor, or just visit our inventory page and click the property link.